discussion that shows interpersonal communication. Because sometimes we have to spill out your problem and take it in. It's okay. So it shows that the group has a problem and it seems like the solution to their problem is talking to each other for them to have a good outcome of their decision. Thank you, May. And we also got a message someone posted in our Twitter account at Santiago. VJ Micah, your video top number 2 was hilarious. When I watched it, it made me burst out into laughter. More power to all the VJs and keep making videos that will make us laugh. Thank you for watching and supporting us, Jersey. Did you know that video number 2 showed us how to communicate people using gadgets? Because nowadays, many of the people use gadgets to communicate and to maintain relationship with other people. And also, in every